How to cancel unpaid orders on Shein. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can cancel unpaid orders on the Shein app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So here as you can see, I am in the section of the unpaid orders and I'm going to show you how you can reach that section. So this is the shop of your Shein app, and at the bottom of your screen you have 5 different options. The last one is me. Here you have the second section whose name is My Orders, and as you can see here I have the icon of Unpaid, and there you can check those unpaid orders here in Shein. So you can continue on Pay Now, edit address, and if you want to go back you just have to, at the bottom of the screen, cancel the order. I'm going to select order, submit. No thanks, and now I don't have any unpaid order because this was cancelled. I'm going to make the same process, me, unpaid, and now it's empty here. And that's how it works. That's how you can cancel unpaid orders on Shein app. Thanks for watching.